Welcome to Smart Study for Career. In this video, I will teach you top 10 general knowledge MCQ based on capital of country. Question. What is the capital city of Afghanistan? Answer is Kabul. Question. What is the capital city of Albania? Answer is Tirana. Question. What is the capital city of Algeria? Answer is Algiers. Question. What is the capital city of Andorra? Answer is Andorra la Vella. Question. What is the capital city of Angola? Answer is Luanda. Question. What is the capital city of Antigua and Barbuda? Answer is St. John's. Question. What is the capital city of Argentina? Answer is Buenos Aires. Question. What is the capital city of Armenia? Answer is Yerevan. Question. What is the capital city of Australia? Answer is Canberra. Question. What is the capital city of Austria? Answer is Vienna. Thanks for watching full video. Don't forget to subscribe. Also like and share please.